Hi everybody, I'm filming a little unboxing today because this is how it arrived to me today. I placed an order. See how looks like I got ran over by something. You can see here it's from Blick Art Materials, 864 Enterprise Avenue. I'm sure most of you that have been following me know my favorite pencils are the Derwent line of pencils. And I hope to God these are all okay. Okay. My box that it came in. Let me pull the receipt away and cover up some things on it so we can see what I got. There's a HelloFresh. I've never done any of those. Oh my gosh. The pencils aren't broken, but that is a horrible way to ship pencils. These pencils originally are like about £3 British a pencil. I got them on sale. They were a little bit cheaper because, you know, they were having a sale, and it was my first time placing an order with Blick. So let's take a look and see what we've got in here. As you know, I've got up here on my desk, let's see, I have the original 24 set of the Derwent drawing pencils, and I also have in here, in this Derwent tin, I have everything in here is Derwent. Some of their sketching pencils, which are like regular 2B, HB, 4B pencils. I have one of their burnishers. This is the 12 set. And then I have the 24 set of the polychromos. These are kind of like Prismacolors. They're, you can see, compared to most Derwent, they're a skinnier pencil. Now, I do have the 72 set of these. That's why I have these in here to travel with. And there is now 72 of these drawing pencils. But since I had the 12 and the 24, I didn't want to buy this. Number one, I didn't want to buy the 72 set because it's a lot. I think it's like 199 British pounds or something like that. So in other words, it means that they are quite pricey. I'm not sure what that was. So what I did was I went through the list that they have. Did I make that list in here? Yes. I went through. I even think I might have it in this sketchbook. Yes, I do. I did something yesterday. I went to the park with my 12 set and did this cute little drawing. And I really love the way I did the flowers here and these things. It was just a quick sketch of some of the scenery in the park. But let's see. Let's sketch them, swatch them, I guess, in here first. So what I chose was 14 colors. I added the 12 that made the 36 set, because they do have a 36 set, which is the 24 plus 12 new. And then I added 2 others. And the other 2 I added were moss green and fresh green, because I wanted, I think this is the one called fresh green. Yes. So fresh green. Fresh green. That's such a pretty color. I'm in review. I'm kind of not prepared for this video because like they just came and they just delivered the pencils, and I saw the box and I was terrified at first that they were going to be, you know, all sorts of broken. Now I worry that the core on the inside might be bad, but we'll see what happens. This is moss green. Isn't that a pretty color? See, I like to draw florals and nature scenery, and so I think that these will be great to add to my collection. Now, because I am who I am, I have another one of these Derwent tins, and what I want to do is I want to put the new colors in here with the 24 set. I do have some pencil rolls that I sometimes use, but I feel the pencils are safer in the tins. No matter which type of tin, the ones they came in or these more travel-friendly tins. So let's swatch some of these just next to them real quick. This is Dusky Pink. Here we are. That's a pretty color. Let's see, there's Dusky Pink. And I will take these, they have these, since I bought them individual stock, they put these stickers on, and I take them off, just because they really can mess with your pencil sharpeners. There's Dusky Pink. This is Strawberry. They have a strawberry in the Polychromos line, which is a beautiful, beautiful pencil. There's Strawberry. I have it down here. And it's like the perfect color. It's strawberry red. Strawberry. This one is Autumn Red, and I thought this would be a great one for using when doing fall scenes for leaves on trees. There's Autumn Red. Yeah, I think you can see. Here's Woodland. It's a kind of earthy brown. There's Woodland in here. There it is down here. What is this one? Deep Atlantic. That's supposed to be a really good color for water. And these are so creamy. Deep Atlantic. And I'm glad I ordered these before summer came, like real summer, because it's only 75. Mustard. And these are some really nice colors that I really think that they were, you know, needing. because this mustard would be great for if you're doing some daffodils or sunflowers or something like that. And these, like Violet Dusk, that's such a pretty purple, kind of lilac-y, sort of, I would say. Violet Dusk. But perfect for adding to any of your, ooh, granite. There it is. And look how it goes really over that black pen. You can barely see it. Granite. See how this list I have here is more proper color order. This was like, I think the order that I ordered them in. Apricot. Another needed color, I think, to add a nice peachy orange. Where's apricot? Yeah, see how this is more like the color scheme that you see them in. And then this one is Polar Ice. Rainforest. Wait, am I missing one? I'm missing one. Sage Leaf. I didn't. Let me check my packing list. Sage Leaf. It's not in here. Oh, whew, I was worried. It was underneath my pencil. There we go, Sage Leaf. I was like, I've never had that happen before. But it's, there we go, Sage Leaf. That is a beautiful color. Oh, we've got the kitty trying to mess with the packaging. Yeah, I do have them all. And they don't have prices or anything on here, but they're originally like around £3 or slightly more than $3 a pencil. And they had them on sale for $1.90. I want to say $1.96. So 14 pencils at $1.96 was like $27, $28. And then shipping has gotten really expensive, but shipping was like $10. And so about $37-ish. I was able to add the colors that I wanted to my already beautiful collection of pencils, and you can see which one I use a lot. I really like this Mars Violet. It's really a pretty one. Really, really, really pretty. So these colors are really going to work well. Like some of my favorite ones. Here's the Derwent drawing, the 24 set here. Colors. Sampled out or swatched out. And then these are the new colors. So you can see these are very earthy toned, which they're known for. And then still that sort of muted palette, but some brighter colors. And I really think these are going to go so well. Like the yellow ochre, brown ochre, the mustard, and the apricot. Those are going to look really pretty. And then that autumn red with like the Venetian red, the terracotta, Sanguine Mars orange, really, really, really beautiful ruby earth. And see, for the greens, they were very, very earthy greens, the olive earth, Craig green, this green shadow, and pale cedar. Those were the only greens. And so it's nice to have a couple of brighter greens. These would have actually helped me yesterday with my sketching, and so would the mustard. So there we are, just a quick little video to share my love for the Derwent drawing pencils and this beautiful new set of colors that I've added to my collection that I'm going to enjoy playing with. I will link Dick Blick below because that's where I got them from, and since they had a sale, it's a really good sale. I don't have any code or anything like that. I am nobody in their realm, but I just thought I would share these lovely pencils. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.